Hello everyone, Sam here from CreativeTradeSystem.com, making this a small video as a video about the new trading setups for this week. Okay, so let's get started. I made a few charts. I'm gonna go over with you guys. Let's me yeah, okay, this is the folder. Yeah, where I'm going. All right, so quickly we're gonna go with let's for example US dollar index, how I am looking at the US dollar index. Let me go that there first, right? Um, US dollar index is very important. By the way, be very careful. This is the last week of the year. December 28th is still holiday time, no volume or very, very small, less volume. So things can be very shaky. But as long as you use my system and follow the rules strictly, you know you're going to be always positive. Okay. Uh, let's go. All right. So this is the weekly chart that I have just made. On the 27th, I put the date 27th, which was yesterday, Saturday. So basically, I prepare my charts on Saturday when the market is completely closed. Sunday, early in the morning, market is closed. In the evening, market is open. So I put the date 27th when market is completely closed, day or night. So if it stays above this number, 0553, we are right there, right? So it came down A, B, and then C into maybe 50% will go down again or 61%. So I just marked the 51% just, for the heck of it. The daily chart looks like this, okay? What the heck is that? Oh, so I was doing one-on-one and then explaining all of this mumbo jumbo. So this is nothing here, okay? So it was like support resistance and this and that. Need to explain that. So basically my chart is, whoops. Oh man. Oh, seriously? Okay, now I think I have to restart my computer later on. Sorry about that. Oh, yeah. Okay, so this is the daily chart. Yesterday I made, and this is how the breakdown because coming down all the way here, and wave one or whatever. But this is the correction going on. To me, it's like A, B, and then C is gonna be the big one, and then this is like wave one, A, B, C, two, then followed by 3, 4, 5 to the upside into this area. That would be like wave one, and then A, B, C, two, and then go down again, maybe, right? So, or maybe it's like A, then B, then C, whatever. Then we will deal with that later. But right now, if you pull the fib from here to here, this is what I see. That's maybe wave one, two, I mean A, B, and then C. That if that's the correction and it's wave two, we're gonna be going up for wave three. Now, if this is, let's say this is A, B, C completed, and we are now going down. Even then, this can serve as wave one. Then we will go back up here, somewhere here, 61% of this for wave two, followed by 3, 4, 5 to the downside. So either way, I think that this is a very good bouncing pad. All right. So as long as we are above oh 05, it's not this oh 05, this is 69. Where's the weekly chart? Okay, this is the one. So 0553 is right there. It may come down a little bit more to this level, 0485, but somewhere here, I think that we will go to the upside. Now, 40-minute chart looks like this. This is like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Sorry, 5, and then this is A, B, and then C. So that's wave 1, and then wave 2, right? Around 61% from here to here. And if we can stay above this, 0553 here, that would be the best scenario to me in my calculation, right? So I'm expecting that it's going to go to the upside. The first thing first, from 61%, it goes where? To 23% line. Either it's going to go straight to the upside or it's going to come down here it's gonna be like, yeah, we have one A, B, and then C, or maybe small. We have one, two, and then three, four, five to the upside. Okay. So first, either way, I see that if we can hold above 0.553, we can go back to this number here, this line, oh 09 somewhere there. And if we do that, then this is gonna happen, right? These four pair will go down and these three pair will go up. UC, UF, and UJ. They will go up, and your USD, pound, USD, and Aussie and USD, they will go down. That's my scenario. So based on that, based on this scenario here, US dollar index, I made few other charts, which I will go with you one by one. For example, USD-CAD supposed to go to the upside, right? And the USD, what the heck? Where it is, man? Oh, here. USD-CAD, the weekly chart I made, there's this. So earlier on my website, you can see that I was pointing that this thing is going to go down all the way here, from here. So it came down so far from here to here. So that's before and after charts on my website already. Let me, okay, let's see if I can. You see, let's see. I will show up fast. For example, this was the chart. You see that? So I had this, that this is gonna, somewhere here is gonna drop. So we started to drop from here, and then right now we are 36.64. Whoops, not there. Whoops, not there. Where the heck is that? Where'd it go? Oh, I moved it. Okay, no problem. You see that? It came down from there to there, right? This chart I just showed you. Oh, okay, now this is what I'm doing. All right, so see this? It came down from here to here. And this is how it ended up, right? So that means that if we need to go to the upside, either CAD is going to get weaker or USD going to get strong. And that's what I have. USD might get strong. So this could be like we have one array and then A, B, C, two or B, right? Make the girdle like that, right? So this is probably like this. Go back to 61% and then drop here, 61% of this whole thing, A, B, and then C, right? That's one thing. Then now we go and this is supporting my idea that USD might get strong, bouncing above 0.553, right? So if that happens, then usually when USD gets strong, what happens? Aussie gets weaker, right? So for Aussie, at the 27th, at the chart that I made, is this, right? So remember then I made the chart when it was here, that's going to drop, and it did all the way down here already, right? So now I think that this fib from bottom to top is 78%. And if you draw the fib from here, this was 61%. This is 11.4, one level below 23% line. Usually from 61 goes back to 23% line. Like I said, the one level went down here. But then if we can stay above it or we find support here, then from 61 and then point C, the point D comes at 78%, which will be the extension of this exactly as well. 127%. 127%, right? So this looks like a very ideal target if we bounce from here. Remember, it's very easy. I had two nice trades going down on the 23rd. I missed earlier entries here because my wife is sick, and then I'm very busy doing that, right? I hardly able to trade. So, but I got this on 23rd December. I had a 7-minute short and a 20-minute short, both entries all the way down here, right? But see, same scenario. Like I said, that follow the rule. It doesn't matter if the last week of the year or December or Christmas time or holiday time, whatever, is ranging and this and that. As long as you're using my system with strict rules, follow the rules. These are the rules. This is step by step. Wait until you get the reversal candle, then wait until you get a proper 7-minute entry. Only then you open the trade. You're never gonna lose. Okay, it's almost guaranteed. You follow the rule, you will end up. You might have your SL hit 4 or 5 times a day, but maybe 2 or 3 good trades, and then that's it. And a good one goes like 70, 80, 100 pip, 120 pip, right? Bad one are maximum 25 pip loss. That's it. So you always cover and then make some more. So you will always be positive as long as you follow the strict rules that I have system, or just use my CTS 7 properly, the year expert advisor, right? So this is Euro Aussie. I made this chart. The next one, I'll go fast now. Pound Aussie. If Aussie is gonna get weaker, then obviously this is like 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever, and 5, and then boom. 61% here, 78% here, right? So from this whole drop, from the top, you see that it went to 61%, and then from there, 23%. Now, if it bounces, it goes back to 78%, which will be here somewhere. So we're looking out, and that if that is going to happen because the Aussie, Euro Aussie is going up, then Pound Aussie will also go up, right? And this will end up at 78% here somewhere into this area. Okay, so this is Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie. What else I have? I have Pound USD now. USD, if USD is gonna bounce in the index, right, and it's gonna go up, USD gonna get strong, and we're supposed to have Pound USD and Euro USD going down. So this is the chart I made that we are here, and just above 61% at 70%, and then this is 78 percent right here. So may go up a little bit or may not, or maybe dropping from there. But that's what I'm looking at, that maybe going down to 38% or 23% line, most likely 23% line. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at. So Pound USD. I have made these charts, I have recorded it, and then I will post on the Telegram after the uh, video. Okay, or maybe before the video, because video you need some time to get converted, and then upload on the YouTube. So as long as soon as I close this video, making this video, then first thing I'll post on the Telegram those charts, and then I will start working on the video and then send out later, right? So at least you will get to see the chart. This is very important number as well here. Watch 3502 for a reversal. If we go up, then this thing is gonna stop it anyway. So Pound USD 40-minute chart. What about Euro USD? So later it will come later sometime. But yen index, this is the monthly chart. Last week I made the chart and we were below 75.31, and I said that we're probably gonna go there, but we have to take out 75.31 first, which we did. Last week we did that, and we powerfully bouncing and going to the upside. There's nothing here to stop it now. The only thing can stop this thing now from going up is the intervention from the Bank of Japan. Let's see what happens, if they are coming in or not. Right? So I had this chart, the watch 75.31 closely and all of that. That is history gone. I forgot to take this out. I will redo the chart before I post. So this is what happened. And then yen is going to get weaker and all yen pair going to fly. Right? So this is what I'm looking at. What the heck happened here? Okay. Next is USD-CAD. Now, USD getting strong means, USD-CAD supposed to go up. And I show you the USD-CAD weekly chart that I'm expecting to the upside. So this is where somewhere, either 36.64 or maybe may go down a little bit, 35.88, 35.65, and then go up. But you can see clearly that from here to here all the way, that it is down. It's a pretty big move, and now it is imminent that it go up a little bit, right? A little bit of a retracement and then come down or whatever. But from here, I'm pretty sure that this thing has to go up to the upside a little bit. Let's see how far it's gonna go. This is another chart. This is the one that I just showed you earlier, I think, right? So this is what I'm expecting, that we're gonna bounce from here, go here, and then drop maybe later on. But this is the weekly chart, USD-CAD. What else I have? Um, okay, so what the heck is that? Oh, that was the chart that's showing that, I made the chart that's gonna drop. That was a before chart, and this is after chart. I have it there by mistake. So this is what I'm expecting now. It's a before chart for this week now. That it's gonna be going to the upside here. I forgot to put the yellow mark to the upside, but you can see A, B, and then C to the upside with USD strength, right? This is the one that I showed you, USD strength, and this is USD in daily chart. Elliott wave count, A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to C, or another A, B, and then C, one small 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would be the end of it. All right. So these are the few charts. I'm, trying to look around like, Bitcoin, gold, and all of that. Very tired. Gonna take some a nap a little bit, and then after that, I'll see if I can make some more videos. Right. All of a sudden, right now, my eyes are getting closed, so can't continue. So I have to close the video as well. Right. So bye for now, and see how fast I can post these. So right now it's 3:59, so that's 4 o'clock. We have 1 hour to for market open, but I don't think the market is gonna move anytime soon. Even if we open, right. So I would say that the good time now if you want to trade or look for some setups in London session. Okay, so this is it for now, and talk to you guys later.